In this short video, I will tell you how to use the official public transport app in Frankfurt, the RMVgo app. I will also explain the different type of tickets available that will help you in choosing the right one. Let's go. Now the RMVgo app, the official public transport app for the Frankfurt region. Allow the necessary permissions, enter your destination, select the suggested route and select the single or day ticket type as per your requirements. Über Frankfurt means via Frankfurt. Ohne Umweg mit Bus means a direct journey without detours, round trips, return trips or significant stopovers. I selected the day ticket as it gives the freedom to roam around the city till next morning 5 a.m. as of mid-2026. RMVgo app only accepts PayPal for ticket purchases. Make sure your PayPal account is set up before you arrive. Once your ticket is purchased, you're ready to board your train or bus and start your journey. I will put some helpful tips and tricks about exploring Frankfurt in the description. If you have found this video helpful, please smash the like button and consider subscribing if you haven't already. Have a great time.